Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a responsive gallery UI with Instagram embeds step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred code editor. Create a new HTML file and name it index.html. In the HTML file, begin with the standard doc type declaration. Add the opening HTML and head tags. Inside the head, include a title tag with the text responsive gallery UI. Link to a CSS file by adding link rel equals stylesheet ref equals styles.css. Below the head section, add the opening body tag. Next, create a container for your gallery using a div with a class of gallery. For each Instagram post you want to embed, use an iframe tag. Set the src attribute to the Instagram embed URL. Be sure to adjust the width to 100% for a responsive layout. Set the height of the iframe to a fixed value, such as 400 pixels. Close the iframe tag for each Instagram embed you add. After adding your embeds, close the gallery div. Next, include your CSS file by creating a new file named styles.css. In the CSS file, set the .gallery class to use a CSS grid layout. Define the grid template columns to create responsive columns, for example, grid template columns, repeat, autofill, min-max, 300px, 1fr. Apply some padding and margin to the gallery container for aesthetic spacing. Set the iframe itself to have a border of none and box sizing of border box. This will ensure that the content fits well within the responsive design. Now, save both the HTML and CSS files. Open the index.html file in your web browser to view your responsive gallery. Make sure the Instagram embeds are displaying correctly. Resize the browser window to check the responsiveness of the gallery. Adjust any CSS properties if necessary for optimal display. Once satisfied with the layout, your responsive gallery UI with Instagram embeds is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.